Game 1, 2.
Hello, good afternoon, everyone. My name is Jason Tormento and this is my portfolio in event management. This is my business law, staying in the system. My tagline, we words build music stream. Tagline, we words build music stream. Address, Malacanang Lulu Barangay ng Bosco, Paranaque, Philippines. Contact information sa 910-907-9980. Social media, stay@gmail.com. Facebook, stay studio and Facebook. Instagram account, stay studio. Company kasi Mapa and Visual. About company. About us, taking it is a full-service music event organizer dedicated to creating memorable, high-energy experiences that celebrate the power of music. From intimate gigs to large-scale concerts and festivals, we bring together talented artists, cutting-edge production, and seamless planning to deliver extraordinary events. With a passion for music and expertise and event management, we collaborate with our clients to turn their vision into reality. Our innovative approach ensures every day is managed, leaving you free to enjoy the magic of the moment. My mission to connect people through the universal language of music by producing innovative, high-quality events and resonate with audience and create lasting memories. And this is my vision. Vision to be the leading music event organizer recognized for creativity, professionalism, and exceptional experiences. Service over. Recording and mixing.
Tuloy ka lang.
Management capability. The studio is led by a team of professionals with extensive experience in the music industry, including music production, engineering, artist development, and business management. This ensures a deep understanding of both the creative and operational aspects of running a successful music studio. Previous events. Numbers of years in the industry. Sticky Nick has been providing professional music production service for over 5 years, delivering exceptional recording, mixing, mastering, and artist development services to a diverse range of clients. Our extensive experience in the industry has allowed to build a solid reputation for quality, innovation, and client certification, helping us grow into a trusted name in music production. Event organization team. And this is the organization chart. Proposal letter. 10/27/2024, Mr. Louis Magbanwa, CEO of Universal Studio, and address Unit Guadalupe Arcadio Square, Barangay Cebu, along Rizal Extensional Barangay Cebu. Dear Mr. Louis Magbanwa, we are thrilled to present this proposal to partner with company organization as your dedicated music event organizer. At the Sticky Studio, we specialize in creating unforgettable, engaging, and professionally executed music events that bring people together and leave a lasting impact. Thank you for considering Sticky Studio as your music event organizer. We are excited to potentially collaborate with you and bring your vision to life. Essentially, Miko Peligro, events organizer, Sticky Music Studio, Malacanang Lulu Barangay ng Bosco, Paranaque, Philippines. stickynig@gmail.com, 0910-907-9980. And this is the proposal to other. Name of the sponsors: High Minds, Hooligans, Gnarly. Proposed date of the date, April 20, 2025. Event outline, name of the event, PH Hip Hop event. Estimated duration of the event, 6 hours And this is the venue, Metro 10 Convention Center, Pasig City, Philippines. Previous event. What? Our C-pop event centered on music, capturing the essence of the culture and bringing together the energy of live performances, DJs, and urban art. When? April 20, 2025. Where? Metro 10 Convention Center, Pasig City, Philippines. Who? Aspiring rappers, Abby Plogi. Why? Starting a music studio company allows you to be a part of the creative process, helping artists bring their musical passion for music production into a professional business. Working closely with diverse talent across genres. Next. And this is the poster banner convention plan. Floor plan. Venue. Verse foods and poultry. Budget outcome. Subtotal 5,222,500 pesos. Tariff fees. Total 700,000 950 pala, sorry. Venue rental. Total yung 120,000.
Catering.
Catering 15,000. Memorandum of agreement. Memorandum of agreement between Stake in Egg Music Company and Universal Studios. Payment term. Total is 741,950. Down payment of 70%, 519,365. Signing of the balance, 30%, 222,585. Due 7 days before the actual. Reservation agreement for Stake in Egg Music Studio and Universal Studio. Event name. Hip-hop events. Event date, April 20, 2025. Location, Metro 10 Convention Center. The organizer agrees to provide the following service for the event. SWOT analysis. Street. A seasoned team with strong event planning and management experience ensure the seamless execution of complex events. This experience includes handling logistics, stage setup, artist coordination, and crowd management. Weaknesses. Music events require significant investment in venues, talent, security, and logistics, which can be financially risky. If the company relies heavily on big name acts, any change in their availability or popularity could impact events. For opportunities, collaborating with brands, media companies, and influencers can enhance event visibility and reduce financial risk. Threats. Large-scale events are suspicable. Accident and health concern which can harm the brand's reputation and lead to legal liabilities. That's all. Thank you.